Picture running a stadium where you only had to check tickets at one gate. Now suddenly there are hundreds of side doors and people and bots pouring in from all directions. That's what enterprises are facing when it comes to identity in the age of AI.
Security operators have this very, very difficult challenge by this deluge of AI agents that is slamming into their enterprises. They can't gain visibility, they can't control them, they can't govern them.
It's time for a new approach, one that would ensure complete visibility across the network, no matter the identity type. For Okta, that approach is called an identity security fabric.
It's a unified approach that's deployed across every identity type: employees, customers, non-human identities, partners, contractors, every identity use case, and it's integrated across every resource: apps, infrastructure, databases, APIs, everything, no gap.
You see, it's not a single product, but a framework or blueprint for companies.
It is the fundamental minimum level of security that you need to be able to secure your AI agents, both building them, but also managing them at the enterprise.
For Okta, bringing the fabric to life means driving full visibility into all of its platforms. From the Okta platform that makes access for employees, contractors, and partners secure.
This is your AI agent directory. I can see a description of the agent, I can see the users that own that agent, and I can see the users that have access to that agent.
To the Auth0 platform, which manages millions of consumer logins and developer-built apps.
The platform enables you with a lot of capabilities, APIs that then you can hook onto to make sure that what you're building on top is secure.
Secure and interoperable.
So the idea is any identity security fabric, including Okta's, but not only Okta's, can manage these agents. And what this will do is it will allow developers to get their agents deployed faster through more companies.
That's because deep visibility, like the one a fabric can provide, requires that all identities follow a similar set of modern authentication standards.
So this is why we are so bullish on this idea of cross-app access and this new open standard that we're promoting. Effectively, what that is it sits in the middle. So instead of delegating down to end users the permission to give, read-write access to your entire Google Drive to some random SaaS app, cross-app access puts the control back in the hands of administrators.
And that's important because right now, many IT security officers are working in what you might describe as the Wild West.
We're seeing that developers are cutting corners. They're putting the basic security authentication in place.
You heard about this hack last month. A restaurant chain was out there using an agent in their application process, and they had a hard-coded password that ended up being found by threat actors. It ended up exposing 64 million applicant records across the board.
No business wants to be the next one to experience that, which is why they're calling for action.
I want to see progress in standards, whether you buy from vendor 1 or vendor 2 or vendor 3. We all speak the same language so that the collaboration becomes better and then we can stop the bad guys from getting in.
The doors to your stadium are multiplying by the second. Don't you think it's time for a new way to secure every entrance? That's the promise of an identity security fabric. Learn more about the topic on Okta's newsroom by going to okta.com/newsroom. Till next time, I'm Diana Blass.